Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the TechLife Smartwatch Neo. And on this video, we are going to have a demo on how to download additional watch faces for our smartwatch, as well as the wallpaper or the custom watch face. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces as well as on how the step or the guide on how to download a watch face or custom watch face for your smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the world of watch faces or dials for our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. So this smartwatch is already preloaded with several watch faces. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's 3 watch faces is preloaded to this smartwatch. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, we have at least 3 watch faces. I guess this will be the custom watch face. Okay, select. Other settings for our screen display are, let's check. We have the settings here. As you can see, we do have a theme watch face. Then the other one is, I think we have a settings for brightness. Yes, we do have here. And as well as the screen time. So we have the brightness and the screen time. What else? Okay. Wrist to or wrist awake. Lift your wrist to activate the screen. So these are the settings for our screen display. If you want to download additional watch faces, just go to the support app. It is using the GloryFit app. So we have the GloryFit application. So open the app, go to the watch face section, as you can see here. Then wait for it to load. So we have here the dial center. We have the my dial. I guess this is where the downloaded dial goes. And we have here the custom dial. On the dial center, as you can see, we don't have categories. And seems like, let's see if we do have a good list of watch faces. Let's see. Okay, so these are the watch faces. So there's no category. It's a combination of analog and digital. So let's try to load all of the watch faces. Successfully loaded. No more. So that's it. Okay. Seems like it's not enough. Okay. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 23. Okay, 23 watch, 23 rows. So 3 columns. So it is around 60 plus. Okay. So not that much, but I think it's okay. Okay, some of the watch faces here is okay. We have digital and analog watch faces. So let's check. Let's download. Okay, we have this one or this one. Let's see. Synchronous dial. Remember, we only have 3 watch faces in our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. Hopefully we can add more. Dial synchronization 5%. So we have here a status or progress bar. Let's wait. Okay, so it's almost complete here, 99%, and we have here our downloaded watch faces. It is a bit slow, but still, I guess it's okay. It works. Okay, and So far, the list of watch faces, although it's all free, is a bit limited. It's only 60 plus. Okay, hopefully they will add more for our smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the my dial section, and we have here our downloaded watch faces. Next, let's have the custom watch face. Tap on this one. So let's select an image on our smartwatch from the album. Go to the downloads. So let's pick a graphics here. We'll pick this one. Okay, then crop. For the time, let's change the color. Okay, and that's it. So these are the settings for your wearable. You can add an image and change the font color. Can we change the location of the time? No. Okay, so there's a time here, and we have somewhat the steps here, I think, on the bottom part. Okay, so that's it. Then after that, tap on screen synchronous dial. Let's check first our smartwatch here if we do have an added watch face. Remember, we have only 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's now 4 watch faces. Let's check. Let's download this custom watch face or wallpaper to our smartwatch, and let's see if we can make it 5. Okay, it's now downloading. Again, let's wait for it to finish downloading. It is a bit slow. 6%. Okay, it's almost complete now. And in just a few seconds, we'll have our custom watch face. Okay, the dial is set successfully. As you can see here, we have our custom watch face. And seems like, as you can see here, did you notice it? We do have a very big, oh, that's it. Okay, thought that we do have a very big black border. Okay, it's now stretched, and as you can see, it occupies the whole screen display here, aside from the black border. Okay, again, let's count our watch face. So this is our custom watch face. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Okay, I guess you can only add 1 watch face at a time. Our previous watch face has been overwritten, okay, or deleted. So that's it for the guide on how to download the watch face for your TechLife Smartwatch Neo. And as you can see, we do have a limited number of watch faces. Downloading of watch faces for the Smartwatch Neo is a bit slow. Only few options or settings for our custom watch face or wallpaper. And as you can see here, the time is very small. I don't like the setup here of our custom wallpaper or watch faces. Okay, and another one, you can only add 1 watch face at a time to our TechLife Smartwatch Neo. Okay, so that's it for our demo for the TechLife Smartwatch Neo, downloading of watch faces as well as custom watch faces. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.